In this video, I'm sharing my thoughts on deciding what to keep and what not to keep when you move or downsize. I'm downsizing from a house in the suburbs to an apartment in the city this fall. Start early, that way you'll have time to go over things at least once and don't have to make all the decisions straight away. My move is months away, but I've already gone over most things at least once or twice. Where I've been over it twice or 3 times, I've gotten rid of things the second and third time, while I considered keeping them the first time around. I'm now down to the stuff I actually like, but after thinking about it, realized I don't use all of it. I had a stacking set of 4 pie dishes, but only ever used the 2 larger sizes. I decided to let go of some small useful dishes, after realizing I have other useful little dishes that are the ones I always grab anyway. I had this large, perfectly good square vase, but I have a same size round one, which I prefer. Small 2-tier cake stand? Cute, but I've only ever used it twice. Not worth cluttering my new kitchen with all of this. When you know you're moving, stop buying stuff. It's so easy to see things on sale that you think will work well in your new place, but honestly you don't know that. Be good and put it back. It saves you from making the wrong purchase, it saves you from having to move it, and it's so much more fun to shop when you actually can bring it straight into your new home. Look at the plans for your new home and picture your belongings there. Will your current sofa fit size-wise or even fit your needs? In my case, I'm getting rid of our sofa and getting a comfy sofa bed in the living room. That way my son Wille can come and stay over, since I'll just have 1 bedroom in my new apartment. I've moved furniture with me in the past that on arrival at the new place just didn't go. The scale was wrong after moving from a small place to a larger one, or the look was off moving from an old style apartment to a more modern one. Sometimes you may need to try it out at the new place, but if you think ahead you might realize that it won't go, which saves you from moving the item. If you really love something a lot, you will probably be able to fit it into your new home regardless of the style. It may not be the perfect match, but in that case it will be the quirky thing that makes your new place a home. I've had to fill a whole house from top floor to basement, and all that stuff has had a function in this house, but now that I'm downsizing I can really pick out the good stuff. Good in terms of design, quality, and stuff I really enjoy having around me. In my case, I'm keeping my Asplund snow cabinets, my Eames rocker, my Amico navy chairs, and a few more pieces. Are you willing to forego pieces of furniture for a while after you've moved? I'm not taking any of my coffee tables with me. I figure I can do without for a while until I find the right one. If that takes too long, I can borrow one from my best friend Anne. I'm getting rid of a lot of things and big pieces of furniture. I already have some ideas on furnishing my new place, but in some areas I'm not sure about the scale of things. So for instance, I am bringing my 1970s plastic ducks galaxy chairs. I may want to replace them with something else, but I will need somewhere comfortable to sit in the beginning, so they're coming along. Will your lifestyle and circumstances be the same after your move? For instance, I'm moving from the suburbs back into the city, and while I will have some outside space, I will no longer be needing large gardening equipment. After the move to my apartment from the house, I will also no longer be in charge of the exterior of my home. So all the DIY equipment and materials for that will be redundant. Also, as far as lifestyle, I'm picturing myself spending less time at home, since I'll have the city of Stockholm on my doorstep, and I intend to take full advantage of that. Have you ever downsized? What's your best tip for deciding on what to keep and what to let go? Let me know in a comment. If you like this video, I'd love a thumbs up, as it helps my little channel. There will be more about downsizing, my move, and organizing my new place in the city. So if you're interested, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when the new video is up. See you in the next one.